Hello everyone, welcome to another video of FFL 24/7. Tomorrow is September 13 and tomorrow is going to be a very important day in stock market. So we are just going to be taking a quick look at what kind of events are going to be happening around. So if you look at this website, Investors Business Daily, so they are claiming that in CPI inflation rate might be heating up again, and because the businesses are not passing along higher energy costs by raising consumer prices. So there is a possibility that due to some increase in oil prices and overall inflation, that CPI core rate might be increasing. So the median expectation for tomorrow is 3.6%. So we are going to see how the market is going to be reacting tomorrow. So we are going to be getting those numbers at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow on September 13. As you can see, September 13, we are getting the core CPI for the month of August, and 3.6% is the expected inflation rate for August. So obviously we want to see a lower number to see a gradual decrease in the overall inflation. What the Twitter is saying on the social media. So I follow this guy Gavin. So he gives very important stock market updates. So according to his research, if you see, this is the overall estimates by all the financial institutions. For example, Visa is saying 3.5% and CIBC is saying 3.5%. They are the ones with the lowest. But other than that, Barclays is on the higher end, 3.7, and JP Morgan Stanley, they're all saying about to be 3.6% expected inflation CPI rate for the month of August. So market is going to be reacting very heavily upon this news, because if we get a lower number, obviously we are going to be seeing a continuous movement, because there will be some confidence that the Fed, they might not be thinking about increasing any further rates. So there might be a continuous pause, because I'm not expecting them to cut any rates. So let's take a quick look at the SPY chart. How is it looking? So SPY has bounced up pretty impressively from the lows. If you look at the graph, we did see some resistance at the 458 level that we bounced back down, and we seems to have some support around the 433 area. So we did hit a wall, as you can historically see at the 458 resistance. We have seen some resistance in the past as well. So we did see a little bit of sell-off at this level. But now if you take a look, this yellow line is a kind of the 50-day moving average that SPY is kind of following along, and also respecting this upward red uptrend line. So as long as we don't break this red uptrend line, we are still in kind of a bull market that we are in. So we want to see this continued movement. So another very important update that happened today was the Apple iPhone 15 and the new series of Apple Watch release. So what I'm expecting is Apple is going to be leading the market in any direction. So it will be very interesting to see how SPY reacts. I'm expecting some very high volume going in tomorrow. So obviously Fed is keeping a very close eye on the CPI inflation rate, and if we see an uptick in the CPI inflation, that I think the Feds might be increasing for 1 or 2 more rate increases to by end of the year. So it is going to be very interesting to see how SPY is going to be reacting towards end of the year, because end of the year is approaching, and it is very interesting going to be to see if we are going to be getting our very famous Santa rally towards end of the year. So it's going to be a very interesting next couple of months for the market. I'm expecting very high volatility for SPY. So, and the major areas we need to keep an eye on, we need to break this 458 level for SPY to make any positive upward further movement. And also it is very critical for us to maintain this red uptrend line. So that's all about it, folks. I hope you liked the quick update about the CPI inflation. So I will be keeping you guys posted on how the market reacts after tomorrow. So please feel free to let me know in the comments, and please, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.